it to someone and I was like, oh my god, that's a lot.
What was your biggest highlight?
Okay.
So keeping your leg fully straight, go ahead and lift, so don't bend your knee. Try to lift your left leg as high as you can. Good. And your right. Left one more time. Right's harder to do.
Yep.
Alright, try it again, left. Good. And right. Good job. Even.
Yeah, that was a lot easier.
Yep.
The back has been.
You are free. 5 minutes on the plate. Go hold it in place.
All right, thank you.
You are very welcome. Have a good one.
You too.
Thanks.